everyone, Sowson here. Today it's Kofta Kebab. I'll be showing you how to make it, how to mould it on a stick, and how to wrap it in flatbread. An amazing dish at the end of the day and fantastic for your barbecues. It is low in fat, full of flavour. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm working with beef mince, parsley and onions. I will be putting it in the food processor and I'll show you how I make it. Half an onion and a bunch of parsley. Straight in the food processor. And now adding mince. Perfect, all finished. A perfect spice for shish kebab. I picked up my local Middle Eastern store and it's got everything in it. Your pomegranate seeds, nutmeg, salt, pepper, coriander, you name it, it's all in this jar. So I'm using it today. I'm going to go for a teaspoon. Just going to grab a little ball like this, grab your stick, push it through and start moulding. I've got 6 here. I'm taking over to the stove for cooking. Heating up the pan, adding a little olive oil, not too much. And once it's heated, we add in our skewers. And we're finished. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it smells great too. Now we're going to put it in a roll and I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. Let's keep that to the side. One flatbread. Going to add a little bit of hummus. Now this is Middle Eastern style. A little rocket. Tomatoes, little cheese, and here we go. Whoops, straight in the middle. And now let's wrap. And look at that. Is that not beautiful? Now we eat. It's time to go. Get yourself started. Like and subscribe and get full access to all of my delicious recipes. Until then, I'm getting stuck into this. Here we go. First things first. Wow. It tastes fantastic. And use a roll. There's no ladylike way to eat this, sorry guys. Delicious. See you guys. Until next time.